But we're gonna open it this way. Nope, no gold one this time. Or at all. Today. Hey, what's going on? It's Nova, Kamikaze Kane, back with another fingerboard unboxing, or opening, right? Today I got two special fingerboards from Mictlan Fingerboards. They're in Mexico. I probably butchered how to pronounce the name, so bear with me. And I got a deal on some trucks over at Famous Decks. Some dynamics, they were like 15% off, so I got them for like $36. So I mean, that's pretty legit. It's a good deal when you can get a discount on anything. But let's just get into this and see what we got today. All right, here we go. So what I got was, as I saw these guys, and they have the Santacruz Pokemon boards. Now I've seen some other companies make them, but they don't got like the super you know, like where it looks exactly like the board that Santacruz and Pokemon put out like last year or something like that. And I always wanted to get one of those skateboards, but I didn't. Those look cool, super nice. Let's get to cracking. Now, if nobody knew, back in the day, I used to open up Pokemon cards with my my oldest kid, and we stopped doing that. But I mean, that was a lot of fun. It shows that you could rip it there. I don't really like that. Hold on. I seen the dudes on their page pretty much 99% of the time they just cut it open. Super hype on this because I mean, they come in the same way, the same packaging kind of stuff like as the actual skateboard did. Let's see what kind of slaps we got. A little Pokemon sticker sheet, and let's see what we got. Right. So it goes like that. Oh, got a Bulbasaur right there. I was trying to grab it the other way. Oh, it's got like a texture of all that stuff on there. If you can like see, it's a little bit raised up. It's pretty cool. I ordered 36 millimeter. So cool little Bulbasaur right there. The little holographics on it and stuff. All right, let's hope we get something different right here, because I know from experience from opening up Pokemon packs, you get the same cards sometimes, and you're like, oh my gosh. So this one's gonna have the same stuff, but we're gonna open it this way. Nope, no gold one this time, or at all today. Again, 36, same size. Oh, we got a Blastoise. Oh, that one's cool. That's the one I'm probably gonna set this guy up right here. Yeah, Blastoise, super nice. Wow, yeah, I'm excited on that. That's cool. That Blastoise is legit for sure. I'm happy to get both of these. These are sweet. Oh yeah, and I forgot, I gotta get into trucks that I got from Famous. I've been sitting here for a few weeks. Oh, got that Fat Dynamic sticker. I don't got that yet. Anti-Hero, and then some cards with all their shapes that they got. I've never tried out a Famous deck. I'd like to try one out one day. All right, and then yeah, and then so I got 34s. I got with the red, and then I got with the white base plates, both chrome. But I'm gonna clean these wheels up and then set up the board. And I'm just gonna use the same trucks. These are the 36 millimeter hex trucks that I got off of Chems. Yeah, those are gonna look nice. I didn't have any green or anything like that, so that's what it is. So overall, pretty legit. I like them. Big shout out. Took a while to get them. They're $40 a piece. You can get 32, 34, 36. I'll put a link down in the description below so you can check them out. I like the way they look. They feel pretty nice too. Pyro wheels, hex trucks. I just wanted to save those dynamics, especially the one with the white base plate and the red wasn't gonna work. I'm happy. I'm like, you know, I was excited to get these and stuff. I've been waiting for them. So to have them in is pretty cool. Add to the collection. I'm probably gonna put this one in like a little frame or something like that, put that in my room. Appreciate it, making it able for international customers, because like I said, they come from Mexico City. You know, expect a little delay in shipping. Just keep an eye on the tracking. Enjoy fingerboarding and have fun. That's what it's all about. Glad to have these, definitely. See you guys in the next one.